What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy, and you are watching Craig and Amy!
And we have just bought ourselves a bus! In this mini-series, we'll be showing you what it's like as two complete novices to renovate a bus from start to finish. We'd just like to reiterate that. We are clueless.
Believe it or not, and doubt us if you must, but what we are about to create is going to be the best home on wheels you have ever seen in your life, lads.
I'm terrified. There's so much to do. There's so much paperwork. I've got to do a licence. Today, I start my training in this bad boy. Buy a bus, Amy said. It'll be great, she said. Full of shit, mate.
We'd like you to meet our beloved Custard.
Her name is Custard.
Custard.
And she's a big yellow custardy bus. So soon she'll be our home.
The best home.
And we can go anywhere in her because she's yellow like custard. Custard.
A dream of ours for years has been to buy a big vehicle and turn it into a motorhome. My dad told me, whatever you do, don't buy it without seeing it first.
Ooh, big yellow bus.
Oh my god, I love it. Probably should have listened to Dad.
I just found a lovely little surprise. There's a big hole in the bus. Right, I was rusted on me.
Oh, my bitch! That's me! I was like, I'm just gonna do it just in case. Oh my god, we won! We can afford it. We won, Craig.
Oh my
We
god.
won. Oh, yay! I don't know what to think.
What have we done? What have we done?
You've got yourself a bus.
I feel about it.
You spelled Bristol wrong as well. Should we be concerned? £3,600. Who can we lend that off then? For reals though, have you got any money? Okay, so we just had a telephone call. The bus is ready for us. We thought it was coming at 4 o'clock and it's only 3 and he's giving us a ring. He's like, I'm here, I'm not sure. So we're keeping it up our friend's farm because it's so massive. It doesn't actually fit on my drive. We measured it and everything and we'll be taking over next door's drive as well. So we don't actually know, like we've never seen it before. We don't know how big it is to actually look at, do you know what I mean?
It's massive, it's 24 seats.
There she is! Oh, she looks amazing! Whoa! There she is!
So she's here, we've got her.
She's
This is actually
amazing.
happening. I'm terrified. There's so much to do. There's so much paperwork. I've got to do a licence. We are in over our heads, but this is just what we do all the time.
This is what King and It does, you know. We'll do something and we'll think about the consequences later. So let me show you around. So this is inside at the moment. Let me just shut the door. Whoa!
Electric door, look at that.
That's my favourite part. So at the moment she is a 24-seater bus. We're not going to keep any of these seats. If you fancy them, let us know, we'll send them to you in the post. We're going to have a bed at the back, then there'll be a kitchen somewhere, seating area, and we are going to have a toilet and a shower. So fingers crossed we can get all that done soon. All of these are going to go. I love how light it is in here though. Craig wanted to buy one without the windows, but put our own windows in, but I quite like it like this, you know. So yeah, obviously when we're done with her, she's not going to look anything like she does now, and I'm super excited to start the process.
Battery's dead though, so that's cool.
Oh mate, suits you, sir.
Where are we going? First things first, we need to take these seats out. So this is the part where you probably won't see Amy for the next few weeks. So I got Mum and Dad with me, got some recruits in to help me get rid of them. Yep. Here you go. After finding out that the seats were bolted in and rusted to hell and back, I had to go underneath the bus whilst Mum and Dad loosened them from the top. After 3 hours, we managed to take out 9 seats. Day 2 and we had our next recruit. Look who's back. Yeah!
Back in the game.
Well, it's back. Carrying on. We didn't get very far trying to get the seats out the other day with Mum and Dad. We got about 9 out. So we've got to try and get the rest out today because someone's buying them on eBay, hopefully. What are you doing today? What's your job?
Relax, oversee the project manager.
Project manager.
No, I'm going to take out the top bits because we don't want them because it makes it a bit more cramped. So give me a screwdriver and I'll be handy.
There's 2 seats that are stuck, so we're going to get them out with fire. Back in Custard again. I've ripped the walls back. Today I'm just going to pull out the old insulation because it's full of dust and everything. And yeah, just rip it back as much as I can so that she's ready to look pristine when we start putting our own stuff in here. Wish me luck.
As Craig was loving his little life taking the bus apart, he stumbled across a major problem.
Okay, so that's the panels off. This side anyway, and I just found a lovely little surprise. There's a big hole in the bus and you can literally see outside rust, which is an absolute nightmare.
As he took the other panel off, he found another deadly horror.
Oh no!
Next time on
The Adventures of Custard.
You know when you start tidying your bedroom and you're like, what the f was I thinking? Some good news and some bad news. We knew that when we took this on as a challenge it was going to be really hard, and it just it's getting harder by the day.